Only 1% of missing child cases is by a non-family member. I'm Avery Elowit, your neighborhood reporter in Bakersfield. Sunday is National Missing Children's Day, and local enforcement shares how parents can protect their kids. Sergeant Eric Celadon of the Bakersfield Police Department stresses that open communication is essential.
It's important at a young age that you develop those relationships with your children so they feel open and comfortable in providing parents with some of that uncomfortable information that usually involves people who commit these kinds of crimes.
Lori Mesa with the Kern County Sheriff's Office emphasizes the importance of setting clear boundaries.
Let your kids know that these boundaries are there for a reason. It's not because you're in trouble. It's not because we don't want you to have fun.
According to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, parents should focus on awareness and education as primary prevention strategies.
When you have little ones, make sure that they know their full name, make sure they know their address, their phone number, make sure they know how to call 911.
Research shows that the most common lures used by suspects include telling the child to do something, offering money or candy, offering a ride, and asking questions. However, the traditional message of stranger danger is no longer sufficient.
There's so much internet activity, and there are discussions to be had about their online presence.
Nowadays we have devices. You know, no one's getting kidnapped at a park anymore. They're getting kidnapped through coercion because they met someone on a device.
To enhance safety, be mindful as your child leaves the house.
It's one of those things that we don't want parents to have to be prepared for, but have a most recent photograph of the child.
Paying attention to what your children put on in the morning, whatever clothes they're wearing. If your child goes missing, you want to be able to provide an accurate description.
While law enforcement stands ready to help, they remind us that safety is a collective effort.
Keeping our children safe really is a shared responsibility. The police department has a responsibility in reuniting these families, but the families and friends also play a vital role in keeping our children safe.
NCMEC says to follow the 4 rules of personal safety. Check first, take a friend, tell people no, and tell a trusted adult. And for adults, if your child is missing, call 911. In Bakersfield, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Avery Elowit.